Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Michaela and I'm going to film today the Emma crop top step by step. This is a very fun and easy project. Really nice crop top. You can use it for sportswear, for activewear, even for the beach. So I've got here my front piece, and this is my back piece, and I'm just checking which is my right side of the fabric. This is my right side of the fabric, and I've got here my sleeves as well. And what I'm going to do first, I'm going to place the front piece on top of my back piece. I'm matching the right sides together, and I will be pinning the shoulders and as well the sides. Next, I will go ahead to my serger. Like I always say, if you do not have a serger, then I recommend you to use your zigzag stitch on your normal sew machine, as it will be a perfect stitch, the zigzag stitch. So I've pinned my sides, then I will go ahead and I will serge them, and as well I will prepare my sleeves. What I'm going to do, I'm going to fold them in two, and I'm going to pin all along the length of my sleeves. The same, I am going to serge what I'm what I'm pinning right now. And for these two steps in the top and in the sleeves, you do not need to add elastic. So yeah, I'm going straight to my serger, and I'll be showing you how I'm stitching my my top. Sometimes I recommend doing a basting stitch in case your fabric could be a little bit slippery. In this case, my fabric is not actually slippery, so I will go straight ahead and I will just directly serge it as it's not slippery. Like I said, if you do not have a serger, please use your zigzag stitch on your normal sew machine. So I will be doing all the rest of the steps off camera, and then I'm going to show you what will be our next steps. So I have my sleeves already serged, and I have my sides of my top already serged as well. And before adding the sleeves, because it's easier, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add elastic all along the back piece and the front, and as well in the neck area. Adding elastic is actually not obligatory, but I actually kind of like prefer to, as it gives more support. If you don't feel like adding elastic, you can always just simply top stitch the edge. Even so, like if you don't feel like top stitching, you can, lycra is not a fabric which will unravel, but it will roll over time if it's if it doesn't have any seam edge, stitched edge. So yeah, as you see, I'm adding the elastic all along, and I'm actually guiding it with my hand because I wanted that it would be slightly creasing my fabric. So as each fabric is different, I'm actually not using my elastic foot because it will take me too long to adjust it each time. So I'm actually just doing it like that by hand. And I will go ahead and I will show you, I will be top stitching it with my cover stitch. If you do not have a cover stitch, then I recommend you to use your zigzag stitch for this step, so I just want to show you a few stitches and then I will be doing all the rest off camera. So I'm with my hand, I'm actually kind of like slightly pulling the fabric, so it's not, I folded in two. I'm sorry, I didn't explain you this step. So what I did, I took the edge and I folded on the inside, and with my other hand I am guiding it like this all along, and I will be doing it the rest of it off camera. I will be adding the same elastic to my neck, and the same I will be top stitching it, and then I will come back and I will show you how to add my sleeves. So the top stitching is done, and next what I'm going to do is going to be, I'm going to be adding the sleeves. So I am going to turn my sleeves on the right side of the fabric, and the top is also turned on the right side of the fabric, but the top I will be turning it on the wrong side of the fabric, and I'm going to introduce the sleeve into the top, and I'm going to be marking first the center of my sleeve and this center of my sleeve. So I'm introducing it just like that, and this center of my sleeve I will be matching the right sides of the fabric together, and the center of my sleeve I will be marking it with a seam in the center to my top, and the lower seams I will be matching them together over here. What I'm doing next, I am pinning all along, and then I will go ahead to my serger. Once I'm done, serging, I will take my sleeve, fold it in two, just like this, and I'm going to top stitch my sleeve about 1 centimeter, 1.5 centimeters from the end. So I'm folding the edge on the inside, and then I will go ahead and top stitch, and here it is. This is all what you need to do. Happy sewing!